important, important. 중요한, this test is important for students. Decide, decide. 결정하다. She decided to study harder this year. Different, different. 다른, this answer is different from mine. Problem, problem. 문제, we need to solve this problem quickly. Future, future. 미래, he is thinking about his future. Improve, improve. 향상시키다. She wants to improve her English skills. Experience, experience. 경험. This trip was a valuable experience. Success, success. 성공. Hard work leads to success. Believe, believe. 믿다. I believe that he will succeed. Result, result. 결과. The result was by better than expected.